Hey guys, today I'm going to show you where the starter solenoid relay is on this 2006 Ford 500. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button for me and leave a comment down below? It really helps out a lot. So pop your hood, go over here, lift your hood, put your hood prop up, come over here to the fuse box, push this tab, lift this, and this right here, the one in the middle, is your starter solenoid relay. So this is what the relay runs your starter. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching, and have a good one.